Hello traders and investors, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating setup that hit our scanners, XBIT, XBIT Inc. We're going to break down exactly why this biopharmaceutical company caught our attention, the strategies it triggered, and the key levels you need to be watching. Important disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Show XBIT chart. Let's talk about XBIT Inc., ticker XBIT. This is a healthcare and biotechnology company with a market cap of approximately $73.05 million, firmly placing it in that small cap penny stock territory. XBIT specializes in discovering and developing true human monoclonal antibodies for treating various diseases, with a pipeline targeting inflammatory and infectious conditions, and a focus on interleukin-1 alpha therapies. It's a cutting-edge field with high potential. Looking at recent price action, XBIT has shown some interesting moves. Today, it's up a respectable plus 4.78%, building on a plus 2.43% gain over the last 5 days. However, looking back over the last 30 days, we saw a slight pullback of minus 2.82%. XBIT is currently trading 33.2% below its 52-week high of $3.06,100, but it's also sitting 15.3% above its 52-week low of $2.900. This tells us it's been in a defined range, but we're now seeing some recovery. Zoom in on volume bars. XBIT landed on our scanner with an entry signal price of $2.03,500. What really stood out today was the volume. We saw 76,391 shares traded, which is significantly higher than its 30-day average volume of 31,133 shares. This translates to a relative volume of 2.5 times above average. This kind of increased volume typically indicates heightened institutional or retail interest, and it's a crucial sign of potential momentum. Beyond the volume, our signal confirmation gate was firmly met. This means the stock's price is trading above its volume-weighted moving average, or VWAP, essentially the average price weighted by how much volume was traded at each price. Simultaneously, its trend strength, measured by the ADX, was above 18, indicating a developing trend, and its relative strength index, or RSI, was in a healthy momentum zone between 45 and 68. This multi-factor alignment helps filter out false breakouts, giving us a higher conviction signal. Display strategy names on screen. Our scanner flagged XBIT for 4 distinct strategies. Let's break them down simply. First, Paloma Ansasi, which means pre-breakout squeeze. Imagine a spring being compressed. This strategy looks for low ADX, indicating very tight price consolidation, meaning the stock isn't moving much up or down. But, critically, the price is above its 20-period exponential moving average, or EM at 1T, and volume is just starting to expand. This suggests the stock is coiling for a potential move. Next, Diptenguk top play and low or strength from the lows. This strategy identifies stocks consolidating near recent lows, showing renewed buying interest. We see a low ADX consolidation, the price above the EM at 1T, and RSI above 50 showing bullish momentum, and importantly, volume above its 30-day average. XBIT is checking all those boxes. Third, a harmonic formation, a harmonic pattern candidate. This is for traders who look for specific geometric patterns on the chart that predict potential price reversals or continuations. XBIT is in a balanced retracement zone with moderate RSI and a strong relative volume providing support, hinting at a potential continuation of its current upward move. Finally, Ituzogi, which translates to bear trap reversal. This is a powerful setup where stock has been under recent selling pressure, potentially tricking bears into thinking it will go lower. But then, it decisively recovers back above its EM at 1T, and crucially, this recovery is confirmed by expanding volume. It signals that buyers are stepping in strongly, trapping the sellers who bet on further downside. Highlight levels on chart. Now for the crucial levels. Our scanner provided an entry signal price at $2.03,500. To manage risk, the stop loss level is set at $2.03,382. This is your line in the sand. If XBIT drops below this, the setup is invalidated, and it helps protect your capital. On the upside, we have 3 take-profit targets. T-Pone, $2.04,675. TPO, $2.05,850. TP3, $2.07,025. What's truly compelling about this setup is the risk/reward ratio, 1 to 9.96. This means for every single dollar you are risking on this trade, you are potentially looking at almost $10 in return if all profit targets are hit. This is an extremely favorable ratio, indicating a high potential reward relative to the limited downside defined by the stop loss. Important disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Moving forward with XBIT, the key is to watch for continued volume confirmation. We need to see that buyers remain interested and that the price holds above those critical moving averages. Observing how XBIT reacts at each of our take-profit targets will be crucial. Breaking above a target with conviction and volume could signal a move to the next. Remember, as a small-cap biotechnology stock, XBIT can be volatile, so strict risk management using that stop loss is paramount. Return to face/channel branding. So there you have it, a detailed breakdown of XBIT, XBiotech Inc. It's a promising biopharmaceutical company showing strong technical signals, with multiple strategies aligning for potential upward move. Always remember to conduct your own thorough research and align any trading decisions with your personal risk tolerance and financial goals. If you found this analysis helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth stock breakdowns, and let us know in the comments if you've been watching XBIT or if there's another stock you'd like us to analyze. Until next time, happy trading.